Well, I do think it's a kind of wrestling match because you mentioned Gulag Archipelago.
Mm-hmm.
I'm very much a believer that we all have the capacity for good and evil,
Mm-hmm.
and striving for the ideal to be a good human being is not a trivial one. You have to find the right tools for yourself to be able to be the candle, as you mentioned
Mm,
before,
I like that. Yeah.
and for that, religion and faith can help. I'm sure there's other ways, but I
Mm-hmm.
think it's grounded in understanding that each human is able to be a really bad person and a really good person. And that's like a choice. It's a deliberate choice. And it's a choice that's taken every moment and builds up over time. And and the hard part about it is you don't know. You don't always have the clarity using reason to understand what is good and what is right and what is wrong. You have to kind of live it with humility and constantly struggle. Because then, yeah, you might wake up in a society where you're committing genocides,
Mm-hmm.
and you think you're the good guys, and I think you have to have the courage to realize you're not. It's not always obvious,
It
uh,
isn't, man.
and
But
only history has the clarity to show who were the good guys and who were the bad guys.
right, you gotta wrestle with it. It's like that quote, the line between good and evil goes through the heart of every man, and we push it this way and that. And our job is to work on that within ourselves.
Yeah, that's the part. That's what I like. Sort of the full quote talks about the fact that it moves. It moves from the line moves moment by moment, day by day. We have the freedom to move that line. So it's like it's a
Mhm.
very deliberate thing. It's not like you're born this way and that's it.
Yeah, I agree.
And and especially in conditions that are like war and peace. Uh, in the case of the camps, absurd levels of injustice. In the face of all that, when everything is taken away from you, you still have the choice to be the candle, like the grandmas.
Yeah.
By the way, the grandmas in like all parts of the world are like the strongest
Shout out
humans.
to the grandma. Seriously.
It's like I don't know what it is. I don't know. They have this like wisdom that comes from patience and have seen it all. Have seen all the bullshit of the people that come and gone, all the abuses of power, all of this. I don't know what it is, and they
Yeah.
just keep going.
Right. I,
It's just
yeah, that's so true.